Yeah. Yeah, keep cutting down. I'll come up in a couple minutes when you got a couple cuts off. We're here up in Angeles Oaks, cutting down this pine tree that had bark beetle. We saw the infestation on the wood, a lot of squiggly marks on the dead wood, a lot of woodpecker holes next to this cabin. Tree's about 116 feet up. Most of the trees are shorter than what we're cutting down. There's some real gargantuan trees here though. I have to go up another 30 feet, 35 feet, 30 feet to go get him. He's already got off about 20 feet, and then we have probably about 60 feet below us. So we're on a JLB lift which goes up 120 feet. Yeah, you can cut one more time and then I'll come up and get you, or we'll continue to cut. What?
On this size? It's good? Or small?
Yeah, and you can take off 3 feet at a time.
Okay.
Whatever you're comfortable with. We have a tipping hazard on the machine. The machine is down on an incline on the hill, so we have to always worry about tipping hazard because the red light is going on and the siren is going. So we're taking it very slow and easy. These machines have sensors all over them. You don't want to get extended over the base on any certain angle.